I just love my cats. Oh, you want to come up? Come here. Oh, let's see what Mommy's got. There it is. There it is. My obsession with cats first began when I was about 2 years old. My mom brought in my little Silvio. He was just a kitten at the time. And just from there, I was just drawn to the cats and my interest just sparked. I really don't have a favorite type of cat. 1 leg, 2 legs, 3 legs, 4 legs. I love them all. When I hold a cat, just like, it's like I'm on a cloud. Nothing else exists. Just me and that cat. If there was no limits to having cats in my house, I would have 10 cats, 25 cats, 100 cats. You know, the list just goes on. Gino was born with extra toes and a little short tail. That is in his breed. About 50 or 60% of Pixie Bobs actually have extra toes, and all of them have a little short tail like this. And and they have that ferocious growl. That. Oh, my little baby. Come here. Oh. Thank you. I love your kisses. No. No, pizza's not for kittens. No. This one is very mushy. He mushes around a lot. You can do whatever you want with him. And he just goes along with the flow, right? I mean, of course we don't hurt him. Stay. We're trying to get them emotionally attached together, but this doesn't work. See, actually attaching them physically doesn't make them emotionally attached. Having cats has affected my love life. I love my life. I got my 2 boys and my 1 up above. Oh, look who came to you. I got my 2 boys. No man on this earth can bring the joy that these boys bring me every day. Oh.